past indefinite versus past perfect. Again here, a verb is missing in each line, and you have to identify which verb is to be replaced instead of the missing one.
Someone had broken into his house.
Okay, when Raj returned home last night, he found his house unlocked. Someone had broken into his house. Okay, all the boxes
Had been.
had been opened. Okay, he checked his locker in which he put his money, but it was empty.
He had put his money.
He had put his money, but it was empty. He the matter to the police.
Told.
Told
He
the
told,
matter.
okay, told the matter to the police. They took some time to register the case. By that time, the thief ran away.
The thief had run away.
The thief had run away. So let us check. When Raj returned home last night, he found his house unlocked. Someone had broken into his house. All the boxes had been opened. He checked his locker in which he had put his money, but it was empty. He reported the matter. So here instead of reported, you told. What was the word you used? Told. Am I right? Told എന്നല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞേ?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
കുഴപ്പമില്ല, അതും പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നടക്കും കേട്ടോ. So informed എന്ന് നമുക്കിവിടെ ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. He reported the matter to the police. They took some time to register the case. By that time, the thief had run away. Very good. Okay, now you have to tell whether it is true or false. To make negative past simple sentences, do we use don't?
False.
False. What do we use?
Didn't.
Didn't. Very good. ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ ഒരു പാസേജ് ഉണ്ട്. ഈ പാസേജിൽ ഒരു മിസ്സിംഗ് വേർഡ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ മുമ്പിലുള്ള വേർഡും അതിന് ശേഷമുള്ള വേർഡും ഏതൊക്കെയായിരിക്കും എന്ന് പറയുക. Mr. Lobo climbed on the stage. He waved to the audience and started first trick. He took two bags in his hand. One was bigger the other. He showed both bags the audience. There was nothing them. Then he took some small pieces of cloth, put them into the smaller bag. He put round pieces of cardboard, the bigger bag. He then covered both the bags, a silver cloth, and waved wand over them. So നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം ഇതിലെ ഓരോ ലൈനിലും എന്തൊക്കെ വേർഡ്സ് മിസ്സിംഗ് ആണ്. So can you tell me? Mr. Lobo climbed on the stage. He waved to the audience and Mr. Lobo climbed on the stage. അവിടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും വ്യത്യാസം ഉണ്ടോ? Is that a complete sentence?
Mr. Lobo climbed on the
On the stage, he waved to the audience and started
His first
his
trick.
first trick. Okay. What about the next? He took two bags in his hand. One was bigger
than the other.
than the other.
And the other.
He showed both bags
to the
To
audience.
the
The
audience.
audience.
to the audience. Correct. There was nothing
Nothing in them.
in them.
In
Then he took some small pieces of cloth, put them into the smaller bag.
And put them into the smaller
And
bag.
Okay. He put round pieces of cardboard, the bigger bag,
In the bigger bag.
in the bigger bag. He then covered both the bags
With a silver cloth.
with a silver cloth and waved wand over them. So let's check the answers. Mr. Lobo climbed onto the stage. He waved to the audience and started his first trick. He took two bags in his hand. One was bigger than the other. He showed both bags to the audience. There was nothing in them. Then he took some small pieces of cloth and put them into the smaller bag. He put round pieces of cardboard in the bigger bag. He then covered both the bags with a silver cloth and waved his hand over them. So this is how the passage goes. When I opened my eyes,
I saw a strange.
I saw
I saw a strange sight is very correct. She
Didn't do.
didn't do her homework yesterday. So what tense is it?
Simple past.
Negative. Correct. What is the correct negative sentence to this one? And went out.
And didn't go out.
Which rule have you applied here? ഏത് rule apply ചെയ്തേ?
Negative simple
Negative.
past.
Okay. അപ്പം ഇത് verb form എന്താ വ്യത്യാസം വന്നത്? ഡിഡിന്റെ കൂടെ നമ്മൾ ഏത് verb form ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്?
First form.
ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫോം. വെരി ഗുഡ്.
V1 form.
V1 ഫോം. അതാണ്, ആ റൂളാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടത്. വെന്റ് ഉപയോഗിക്കാതെ ഗോ ആക്കണം. സോ അത് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ.
The film hasn't started yet.
യെസ്, what tense is this?
Present perfect.
Present perfect.
Negative.
Okay, very good. Negative. So I'm grateful to everyone who was present in today's session and for answering and so participating in this session in a very interactive and really you have committed a lot. നിങ്ങൾ നല്ലതായിട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Thank you all. And videos like ചെയ്യുക, okay, comment ചെയ്യുക, share ചെയ്യുക നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനോടൊപ്പം. So thank you for joining everyone. See you in the next session. Goodbye.